Hello out there in Council Rock land. It is so great to see you. I am so excited to welcome you back. In just a few short weeks, we will be back here at Council Rock for those who are coming back. And I wanted to give you a short little tour of some of the big changes that have happened over Council Rock over the summer here at Council Rock, so that we can make sure that you know what you're doing when you come in that first day. So follow me. All right, we are standing here in our brand new bus loop. It's not quite finished yet. They're going to paint all the lines on here and get the buses, but this is where, if you ride the bus, you're going to get off each day and we're going to head in through the main door. So come with me. All right, so here we are at the new main entrance. So just a reminder, we are still 2 weeks away from school. So there are a lot of workers in there finishing up final touches, but I want to take you and show you everything that's happened this summer. Come on with me. All right. So as we come in, this is our new foyer, and to the right, we have our brand new main office. Miss Kathy will be sitting at that window, and our new security guard will be sitting here, but we're gonna come straight through. To the right, we have our new nurse's office, also another entrance into our main office. And then come with me, I'm gonna show you our brand new cafeteria. This is our awesome brand new cafetorium. So this is where you will be eating if you are coming here to school. This is also where we'll do dismissal from. We also have a pretty cool stage that hopefully when we're all back, we'll be able to use for performances, for singing and things like that. So it's a great new space that we're excited to share with you. All right, we're gonna head into the brand new section of our school. As you can see, lots of work still going on. All right, we're heading through, and this is all brand new. So this is our brand new wing. We've got classrooms in this space. We've got our reading center in this space. We've got beautiful colors. We've got cool little places to sit and read a book. And as we come up, we call these the wedges. And I think I'm gonna call this the lemon or the lime wedge because of the color. But this is actually a space that connects out to our brand new courtyard. Come on out. This is our brand new courtyard. It is a space we're going to be able to use for recess, for teachers to come out and be able to teach outside. We've got shade area. We've got a butterfly garden that replaced our old butterfly garden. We've got all kinds of beautiful plantings. So this is just a nice space that our teachers and our students will be able to utilize and get outside and enjoy some fresh air. We'll be able to take a mask break when we're out and we're 6 feet apart. So we're looking forward to be able to use that. We are continuing into the new space. You can see teachers are unpacking, getting ready for you to come back. They are so excited to see you, getting ready to have everything be nice and neat and new in the new section. So this is one of our new hallways. It's just beautiful. Lots of natural light, lots of classrooms down that way. We're excited to have you back. All right, that concludes our tour. We're here in the blue wedge. I guess we'll call it the blueberry wedge if we're calling the other one the lemon and lime wedge. But we are so excited to welcome you back in just a few short weeks. I can tell you there's a lot of work happening here and a lot of work that's gonna happen to finish this up, but it will be ready and we'll be here with smiling faces. So I will see you all in a few weeks.